How to turn off conversation background on message on iOS 26. First, go and tap on settings icon on your device. Then scroll up a bit, tap on general. Then guys, under general, tap on software update. This is to be sure that you have the latest version of iOS on your device. Now, once your device has been updated to the latest version iOS 26, then go back again until you access this page again. Scroll down to the base of this page, tap on apps. Once tap on apps, on the list of apps you have here guys, locate and tap message or simply type in message in the search section. Tap on message. Now that I've tapped on message, scroll up guys until you have access to conversation background. Tap on it to toggle it off. So that's all guys. This is the simple process on how to toggle off conversation background on iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.